Traders, Brian here with A Plus Setups. Let's conduct a trade recap for Monday and Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, July 28th, so we're going to cover today and yesterday, July 27th. Haven't done a recap in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. We have been working a lot of projects behind the scenes, so I did want to take some time out today and just show you how some of the trading went. So we're going to start back here. Let's go ahead just to show you what day it is. Let's go ahead and pull up the data box. Okay, so this is 7:27. We're on Eastern time, just so you can see that. All right, out of the gate here, we took our first trade. We're letting the market get settled in, but we took our first trade here off of a triple focus divergence from the extreme. You can see it here. It fired the jiggle. Now, before we get started, what do we have yesterday and today? We're at, 9 winners and 1 loser. So for Monday and Tuesday, 9 winners, 1 loser. So we're going to try and cover all those here in this short video. So there's our shallow pullback off of the divergence. We took it and we're scalping. This is a demo account. I happen to be trading an eval here. It's a 50K. I'm trading 1 NQ. It's over leveraged the way I trade, but anyway, just to give you the background about what I'm doing here. So first trade, good to go. Second trade, it was a little choppy in here, but we waited for, I was looking for this alpha timing window hash. So we got the opportunity here, and we took the 108 entry technique, put us in over here for the quick scalp. So that was trade number 2. Now, before I go on, we have the background colored with our software, one of our trading models, which is our layer 1. It's our reason that we're looking for a trade. Layer 2 is our timing windows. So we're going to be soon releasing this alpha timing window. I call these out in the room since no one has these yet, but the omega, everyone has the omega timing windows. So anyway, we caught this alpha timing window. We're just waiting for the opportunity, and then we just let our software identify, the setups. We have 4 setups that span the pullback spectrum. We have profiles built on each one of those. They go from shallow, deeper into the deepest pullback. This one just happened to be either 108 or the reverse mullet fired. That's trade number 2. Okay, let's move forward here, see what we have. The third. Okay, here we go. This trade right here was simply, I mentioned that, once we get under 360 here in the NASDAQ, it's likely we're going to go ahead and snag 270. That's the natural level to level. So what I was wanting to do here was I was looking for a setup. We got one. It was a combination jiggle and a 108 trade. It wasn't a timing window. This was just a directional trade. I was waiting for one of our setups to make a run down to towards 270, and we got that. All right, here is a trade, another triple focus divergence. You can see here lower prices were coming out of the extreme, higher low there. Now we just wait for our setup. We got another jiggle off the bat, very quick move, and we capped that one off there. I've done lost count on how many, it's either 3 or 4. All right, here we come over to, you can see here the timing window hash for the alpha fired. We took the trade. It was a 108, very quick scalp. All right, back again right here. We happen, now this was a counter trend trade that we took. I'm sorry. Yeah, I was trying to look at that divergence there. Sorry about that. This was another timing window trade that we took right here, short. It was a combination omega and an alpha timing window opportunity. So all we do is we're either taking counter trend divergence trades, or we're waiting for our timing windows to tell us to look for a setup. So, and that's what we're doing. This happened to be a reverse mullet and a 108. We took that. We got the scalp. That's our first take profit level for all of our scalps. Your personal account, I trade a personally funded account. So I'm trading multiple tranches of contracts. First take profit, second, third, and then I keep some runners on there in case we get runners. Okay, so that was it. Make sure no other. We shut down. Oh yeah, here we go. Almost forgot about this one. Here we go. So we had another triple focus divergence. It kept bouncing around at the highs. We finally got a lower high here on the indicator, a higher high in the price, and we just waited for the trade. We got the jiggle, the short jiggle at the highs, and we got our trade. So that capped off yesterday's. Again, 6 wins, 1 loss. I hope I got them all there. Now let's just scroll over here to today, Tuesday. Let's see how we fared today. Again, same thing. We got our timing windows populated on the bottom. We have our layer 1 trend model painting the background, and we have our setups producing all these signals. We don't take all the signals. We just wait for a timing window. There's a beauty that I passed on right there. I don't know why I passed on it. Probably distracted. That happens. Let's get over here to the first trade. We took 3 trades today, all winners. Here was the first trade. It was an alpha timing window. We took that, got the good scalp, and went on. This is what we were looking for that runner. They had to sweep prices first and then drove it down. But anyway, we got our scalp out of the way. All right, trade number 2, again, a timing window trade. We waited, we got an omega and an alpha at the same time. These are telling us to look for the setups. We got the 108 trade, again, another scalp, first take profit level. That's all we got out of that, but it's all we need. It's trade 2. Let's see where trade 3 is. Here we go. Again, we were treated with another omega and an alpha timing window, so we waited for those to flash. We took our setup, which was a 108 trade setup, and again a scalp. So this is one here where my personal account, I took 2 trades in it today, and this is the one where I got the runner on. So, really good trading today from the timing windows. So again, just to summarize, here I'm primarily looking for either the triple focus divergence trade from the extremes, a counter trend trade, or I am personally waiting for the timing windows to tell me when to look for a setup that are in sync with layer 1, the trend model, layer 2, timing window fires, and layer 3, our setups come into play, are called into action. Okay, that is that's the recap for the first 2 days, and we're doing a giveaway. There'll be information on the following slides, but if you're not part of the program, if you'd like to get our toolkit minus the timing windows, our timing windows are for right now for our subscribers while we refine those out. But if you'd like to register to win, have a chance to win our toolkit, then which is all of our trading models and setups, follow the instructions on the subsequent slides and register, and we'll give away 2 sets to 2 lucky winners August 7th, 2026. So anyway, if we can help you out, drop us a line. Good luck in your trading. See you in the next video.